Alright folks, so another video on the crossband repeater experiment between VHF, UHF. The radio over here is getting slowly buried. So I spent a bit of time last night and a little bit of time this evening hooking, or I should say installing the relay control board and the ID module. And I figured, well, I'd show you what I got done so far. So, yeah, here we go. So here we have it. So we have our timer device here. We have our relay control module here. We have our audio or ID record / play module here using the ISD 1820. 5-volt regulator here to regulate the 5 volts of the relays. I have another 5-volt relay here that regulates the voltage to the yellow LEDs, as well as 5 volt to the module. So right now we have the speaker hooked up. All these wires here are for relays, or relay contacts I should say, switching. There's 3 of them, 3 wires per relay, as you can see. Right now I have the ID module on relay. I call this one relay 1. She has 2 contacts that goes over and connects over to the play button right here. Didn't need to remove the switch at all, just each side and away you go. So I got a little voltage adjustment right here. So I'll hook her up and let you hear what she sounds like. I got to say, I think she's coming along pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to hook power up here in the back. Right now we've got the power coming in the back here. It's I can turn it off with this switch. But let's hook up the power here, shall we? She's counting down, and you'll hear it in the speaker here.
This is the VO1HMS Crossband repeater experiment.
And there you go. There you go. This timer, again, this timer trips these 3 relays, which in turn trips the ID module, which you hear in the speaker. Now I have to put a couple PTT lines in the back of here. So that's the next thing now. I got to put this black piece of plastic that I've got here. I need to mount that back there now, and we're going to put some couple jacks back here, and that'll be for PTT in out plus audio. So that's the next thing. So yeah, I think she's coming along. Here's the switch. Turn system on. Turn system off. Off. On. Off. On. Which is very cool. And for anybody that was wondering about the module, I've had this module disconnected from power for over, I'd say, a good month and a half for sure. And the message that was on this, it actually saved. So yeah, we can pretty much say memory stays on this module for a long time. And memory stays on this one as well when you set your programming. So far we're doing very well with this. If I do say so myself. And just want to show you. I think it's pretty cool.
HMS Crossband repeater experiment.
That it is. All the best, guys.